guys, she's the fighter here. Almost on a different unboxing. This is what I ordered online a few days ago, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what it is. I can't show you my name and the address on it because I don't want anyone to know where I live. Okay? And this game! I got this once in America and I stopped playing it because it was really hard to play. But this is the proper one. Okay, let me just first. Okay, because I only have, let's see, I only have 2 games at the moment for my DS. Because the other day, I had money on my card and I was trying to figure out what to get. Okay. This will work in a 3DS. Oh, sorry, yes. Okay. I'll show you. Now comment if this is a new or a used one. But if it's a used one, then I don't care. Okay. Now, because regular DS games work in this. Trust me. Down. See? It works. And then there's the instructions here. See? Instructions. To show you what you can do. Let me just settle first and then, because I read online, right, on the Amazon, saying that won't show up until 8 p.m. which is stupid. Okay. Alright, now yeah. I'm really happy now that I have a new DS game. I found myself now that I don't want that I'm not going to get rid of any more games or DVDs or CDs. So yeah, that's my new game I got. Pretty cool because I love watching that. The next one I'm going to get the other one. Got now, but I don't have nothing in my head. Yeah, so yeah, so that's just an unboxing. Until then, guys, she's a fighter. Signing out. Peace.